place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt.
Hi, today I'm staying at the Hampton Inn in Cape Canaveral, Florida. So I'm going to give you a little room tour and let you see the room I have been assigned. I'm staying in a double queen room, and this is not a suite. They do have some rooms that are suites available, and it's just 2 queen beds and then a little seating area, your workspace or desk with a coffee maker. There's some drawer space, microwave, some cups, and over here we have a little mini fridge. And there's the TV. Over here we have a sliding door that is for the bathroom and for this closet. So there's your closet, and bathroom is right here. It's just your standard tub shower combo. They have the hair dryer here, and the bath products are the Zero brand. Conditioner, shower gel, and shampoo. Normally they stock the rooms with hand soap, but they didn't leave me any, so I'm going to figure that out. And they usually also leave makeup wipes and lotion, but I didn't get any of that either, so don't know what's going on, but I'm going to get some from the front desk, and that's not a big deal. I will say that they do have a parking package. That is a question that's often asked. You can leave your car here if you book that with your room, and it looked like from the rates it was around $100 more to do that. There's also a third-party shuttle. It's $12 each way, I believe, and that's per person, and you make the reservations when you check in. But I'll show you right out the window. Right out the window you can see the port area, and I'm assuming this is where I will be going tomorrow, and I will be boarding the MSC Seashore, but you can get an Uber if you're 2 or 3 people, even more. You could probably get an Uber cheaper and easier than a shuttle. So that's entirely up to you. I don't care for the shuttles. I would rather just get an Uber or Lyft. It's easier, faster, and you don't have to be in a van with a lot of people. So that's about it for this little room tour. They do have a nice pool area behind the hotel with a fire pit. There's also a bar, and I believe there's a restaurant that they serve, you know, your general pub food. They have the buffet breakfast that Hampton is known for in the mornings, and this also adjoins the Home 2 suites. So if you're looking for a hotel and you see Hampton and Home 2, I would suggest just checking the rates at each one. The breakfast area is next in the lobby area. So if you're checking in for either hotel, you will check in at the same desk, and then there's 2 breakfast areas, but you could easily go to either one, but the food is basically the same. So that's about it for the review of the Hampton here on Astronaut Boulevard in Cape Canaveral. One thing I forgot to mention about the Home 2 Suites Hampton Inn here in Cape Canaveral is that the only issue that I ever have here is with their elevators. They have one elevator bank for the 2 hotels, and it's a bit challenging if you're trying to get out to catch a shuttle or meet your Uber or Lyft to get to the cruise port. So if you're staying here, plan to get your luggage down a little bit earlier than you need to, because those elevators start filling up and it's backed up around 9 a.m. when everybody's trying to get out. So if you can go a little earlier or a little later, or just get everything down to the lobby, you'll be in much better shape. And again, thanks for watching.